press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, subject Social Science, topic our Karnataka, class 6th, okay. In this class we study about uniqueness of divisions, okay. In this class we study about uniqueness of this division, Bengaluru division. Bengaluru division already we learned. Bengaluru division has 9 districts. How many districts? 9 districts. Here we see 9 districts. Okay. Bengaluru division has 9 districts. Which are these? Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, Chikkabalapura, Ramnagara, Davanagere, Shivamogga and Kolar, Tumkuru, Chitradurga. These are the 9 districts of Bengaluru division. Okay. Ramanagara district formed in which year? 2007. Ramanagara district founded in Ramanagara district founded in which year or formed in which year? 2007. Okay. Next, Chikkabalapura district also formed in 2007. Chikkabalapura district also formed in 2007 or founded in 2007. Both also founded in 2007. Understood? Both districts also founded in or formed in 2007. Which districts? Ramanagara and Chikkabalapura districts formed in 2007. Davanagere districts also formed in 1997. Davanagere district also founded in 1997. Okay. These districts of districts of this division are newly formed districts. Understood? Once again, Ramanagara district founded in 2007, Chikkabalapura district also founded in 2007, Davanagere district also formed in 1997. These newly formed districts in Bengaluru division. Bengaluru urban district, okay, Bengaluru division. Next, we study about Bengaluru urban district. Here, Bengaluru district has totally 9 districts. We study about first district, Bengaluru urban district, because each district has its own significance. Understood? Now, we study about Bengaluru urban district. Bengaluru, first district is Bengaluru urban district. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತಿಳಿಸಿರುವಂತೆ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿವೆ? 9 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳು ಇವೆ. Isn't it? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿಭಾಗದ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ 1997ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ರಚನೆಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಾಮನಗರ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ 2 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ 2007ರಲ್ಲಿ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ರಚಿತವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ರಾಮನಗರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ. Okay, now study about Bengaluru urban district, Bengaluru Nagara Jille. Bengaluru urban or Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. isn't it? Which is the capital city of Karnataka? Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. Capital of Karnataka. Capital city of our Karnataka. Which is our state? Our state is Karnataka. Which is the capital city of Karnataka? Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. Vidhan Soudha. Are you heard this name? Yes. Vidhan Soudha, the administrative center of our Karnataka state government. What is Vidhan Soudha? Vidhan Soudha is the administrative center of Karnataka state government. It is in Bengaluru. Vidhan Soudha. Vidhan Soudha. It is administrative center of Karnataka. Administrative center of Karnataka state government. ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ಇದು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆಡಳಿತ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದಿಂದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆಡಳಿತ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆಡಳಿತದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧವನ್ನು ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯವು ಕೂಡ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ದ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ state also here. We see Lal Bagh, Kabban Park that were established in which period? During the British rule. Understood? Lal Bagh and Kabban Park that were established during the British rule are also in Bengaluru. Next, Nandi Hills. Are you heard this name? Nandi Hills. It is a very famous summer resort. This is summer resort also. Understood? Which is the summer resort? Nandi Hills. This is very famous hills. Nandi Hills, a summer resort, is 50 km from this city. Heavy public industries like HMT and BHEL are in Bengaluru. Private industries like Infosys, Biocon and others also present in Bengaluru. Here we see there are 4 taluks in Bengaluru urban district. We see how many taluks? 4 taluks. Which are these? These are Bengaluru North, Bengaluru South and Bengaluru East, and another one is Anekal. These are the 4 taluks of Bengaluru urban district. Understood? Here we see how many taluks? Here we see 4 taluks. First one is Bengaluru North. These are taluks of Bengaluru urban district. Okay. Second taluk is Bengaluru South. Third one is Bengaluru East. Bengaluru East. Another one is Anekal. These are the taluks of Bengaluru urban districts. How many taluks here? 4 taluks in Bengaluru urban districts. Which are these? Bengaluru North, Bengaluru South, Bengaluru East and Anekal. Okay. Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike oversees the administrative of Bengaluru city. ಈ ನಗರದ ಆಡಳಿತ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಈ ನಗರದ ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ oversees the administration of Bengaluru city. Many scenic ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಣೀಯ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬನ್ನೇರುಘಟ್ಟ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ is a must-see place for children. One can go on a safari. Here we see freely roaming wild animals. Here wild animals wandering here and there. Understood? In which park? Bannerughatta National Park. Here we see freely roaming wild animals in this park. Here a snake park also present there. Next we study about temples, famous temples of this district. Famous temples. Okay. So many temples also present here. Someshwara temple of Ulsuru. Where it is? Someshwara temple, it is in Ulsuru. Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple, it belongs to Nada Prabhu Kempegowda's range. Who built it? Nada Prabhu Kempegowda. Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple, it belongs to which kingdom? Nada Prabhu Kempegowda's region. Next, Dodda Basavana temple. We see here Dodda Basavana temple, and another one is Dharmaraya Swami temple. These are the famous temples of this district. Which district? Bengaluru urban district. Okay. Next, here we see so many churches also, which are more than a century old. First one is Saint Andrew's Church, Saint Andrew's Church, Saint Joseph Church are a few names. Next, similarly here we see many masjid also built here. Sangin Jamia Masjid, Sangin Jamia Masjid, Jumma Masjid, Jamia Masjid are very important in this district. And then Khadariya Masjid was also built here. Recently in which year? 1981. Khadariya Masjid was built recently in 1981. Bilal Masjid was built on Bannerughatta Road in 2015. We see here Bilal Masjid also. This was built on Bannerughatta Road in which year? 2015. It also recently built. Next, the famous church of Bengaluru city. Basilica, St. Mark's Cathedral, Infant Jesus Church and St. Francis Xavier Cathedral. These are the famous churches of Bengaluru city. Next, we study about next district, Bengaluru Rural District. Bengaluru Rural District. Rural district. Okay. Now study about Bengaluru rural district significance. This district formed in 1986. This district formed in 1986. Bengaluru rural district, when it is formed? It formed in 1986. Okay. There are 4 taluks. We see there are how many taluks? 4 taluks. 4 taluks. Okay. Which are these? Nelamangala. First one is Nelamangala. And Doddaballapura. Doddaballapura. Devanahalli and Hoskote. These are the taluks of these districts. Okay, see here Bengaluru rural district. It is formed in 1986. Here we see 4 taluks: Nelamangala, Doddaballapura, Devanahalli and Hoskote. These are the taluks of Bengaluru rural district. Here we see Shivagange is a famous religious place. Which is the famous religious place? Shivagange is a famous religious place in this district. Kempegowda International Airport is in Devanahalli. See here we see airport also. Which airport? Kempegowda International Airport. It is in Devanahalli. Okay. Next, we study about next district, that is Ramanagara district. Ramanagara district. Now we discuss about Ramanagara district. Okay, this district was formed on 23rd August 2007. Okay, when 23rd, which month? August. In which year? 2007. It is also newly formed district. Ramanagara district formed in 23rd August 2007. There are 4 taluks. Here also we see how many taluks? 4 taluks. 4 taluks. In which districts? In which district? Ramanagara district. It is formed on 23rd August 2007 and we see here 4 taluks. First one is, which are these? Channapatna. Channapatna, Kanakapura, Ramanagara, and Magadi. Okay, these are the 4 taluks of this district, Ramanagara district. Next, this district is the fastest growing industrial hub of Karnataka. Once again, this district is the fastest growing industrial hub of Karnataka. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್, ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿ ಅತಿ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅತಿ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ರಾಮನಗರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ fastest growing industrial hub of Karnataka. The Bidadi Industrial Center is one of the prominent industrial center of the state. Okay, this district is known for 2 products. It is very famous for these 2 products. Which are these? Channapatna wooden toys. Channapatna is very famous. By what? Channapatna wooden toys. ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಆಟದ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳು ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್, ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ, ಈ ತಾಲೂಕ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾವುದು? ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ. ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವುಡನ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಆಟದ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್? ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. Chikkabullapura district. Okay, Kolar district was divided to create Chikkabullapura district. Understood? Which district divide? Kolar district was divided to create new district, that is Chikkaballapura district. Okay. It was formed on November 10, 2007. It is formed on November 10. In which year? 2007. Which district? Chikkaballapura district. We divide the Kolar district and create new district, that is Chikkaballapura. In which year? 10th November 2007. Okay. There are 6 taluks. How many taluks here? We see here 6 taluks in this district. How many taluks? 6 taluks. In which district? Chikkaballapura district. Okay. They are Chikkaballapura, Gauribidnooru, Bagepalli, Shidlaghatta, Gudibande and Chintamani. These are the taluks of which district? Chikkaballapura district. Nandidurga is a noun hill station. Hill station, we see here hill station also. It means Giridhama. ನಂದಿದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗಿರಿಧಾಮವನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ನಂದಿದುರ್ಗ is a noun hill station. ನಂದಿದುರ್ಗ is noun hill station. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದಿದುರ್ಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಗಿರಿಧಾಮ, ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಗಿರಿಧಾಮ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ನಂದಿದುರ್ಗ is a noun hill station. Kaivara of Chintamani is a place known for mystic Tathai. Kaivara of Chintamani is a place known for mystic Tathaya. Next, Vidurashwata. Vidurashwata is very famous. Why? Vidurashwata is a historical place. Vidurashwata is a historical place because present in Gauri. It is in Gauribidnooru. Once again, see here, Kaivara of Chintamani is a place known for mystic Tathaya, and Vidurashwata is a historical place present in Gauribidnooru. Why it is called historical place? Because here in Vidurashwata in 1938 flag satyagraha was held against the British. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1938ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಧ್ವಜ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ವಿಧುರಾಶ್ವತ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? 1938. ಇನ್ 1938 ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹ, ವಿಚ್ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹ? ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ರೂಲ್. A memorial is built here in memory of that. ಇದರ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಾರ್ಥಕವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ? ವೀರಸೌಧವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಜನ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಧ್ವಜ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ಮಾರಕವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೀರಸೌಧವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ವಿಧುರಾಶ್ವತದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ವಿಧುರಾಶ್ವತ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ place. It is in Gauribidnooru. It is present in Gauribidnooru. In 1938 flag satyagraha was held against the British rule. That's why a memorial is built here in memory of that event. ಅದರ ಸ್ಮಾರಕವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೀರಸೌಧವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. Next, Shidlaghatta. Shidlaghatta is noun business center. It is business center. It is famous for its silk products or silk business. ಅಂದರೆ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಶಿಡ್ಲಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ. Next, we discuss about Kolar district. Next, Kolar district. See, when we heard the word Kolar, what we remember? When we heard the Kolar, the gold, we remember the gold mines, isn't it? The gold mine are remembered. When we heard the word Kolar, the gold mines are remembered, isn't it? It is famous for gold mines. But unfortunately, nowadays the gold mines were empty or closed down during 2003. Understood? Once again, Kolar was famous for gold mines. Okay. But unfortunately, what happened? The gold mines were closed down in which year? During 2003. There are 5 taluks. We see here how many taluks? 5 taluks. Okay. Which are these? Bangarapete. Here we see 5 taluks. Okay. First one is Bangarapete, Kolar, Mulabagilu, Malur and Srinivaspura are 5 taluks of Kolar district. Here we see the main occupation of these people, of this district are agriculture. Agriculture is the major occupation of this district people, and then they are doing dairying, floriculture and ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಜನರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಸುಬು, ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಜನರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಸುಬು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, ವ್ಯವಸಾಯವೇ ಇವರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಸುಬು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೈನುಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪುಷ್ಪೋದ್ಯಮವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫನ್ ಪ್ರೋನ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ ಬರಪೀಡಿತ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ? ಕೋಲಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫನ್ ಪ್ರೋನ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಬರಪೀಡಿತ, ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದಂತಹ, ಒಣಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಬರಪೀಡಿತ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅನೇಕ ಕೆರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತಿರುಪತಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆಲ್ ನೌನ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತಿರುಪತಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ವೆಲ್ ನೌನ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? Chikka Tirupati of this district is a well-known religious place. It has many tanks. Antaragange is an important historical place. Here we see Antaragange. This is also historical place. It is present in Kolar district. Places like Hazrat Baba, Haidar Ali Dargah and Shri Padarayara Brindavana are in Kolar district. Okay. Every district have own significance. Understood? Thank you. I will continue next class.